Hi y'all, Happy New Year. I am back. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I am back now. So welcome to the first video of 2012 from For Color Girls. Today I want to talk to you about why you should live your most fabulous life right now. Why you shouldn't hesitate, why you shouldn't wait. First, I want to tell you that if you didn't know, the motto of For Color Girls is live your most fabulous life. And what does that mean? Well, it means whatever you want it to mean. Whether you want to be a business owner, CEO of a company, you want to be a great mom, whatever your definition is of having a fabulous life, then that's what it means for you to live your most fabulous life. So why should we live our most fabulous lives now? Well, we're here right now in this present moment. There's no time like the present. You have no other time in your life but the moment you're here now. Tomorrow is not promised. So we need to get on the path to living our most fabulous lives today while we still can. An example that I can give you is one of my own. Before starting For Color Girls, I had the idea to create a print magazine for women of color, for young women of color, but I had so many excuses about why I couldn't do it. I was too young, I didn't have resources, I didn't have experience, I didn't have money, the list goes on and on and on. But one day, I ultimately decided that, hey, I need to pursue my dreams and my goals and my purpose in life. I can't put this off any longer. I mean, what's the point of me putting it off any longer anyway? Even if I am young, even if I don't have money, I have something I can start with. I have some resources, so hey, let me just go ahead and start. And voila, here I am, almost 4 years later, still have For Color Girls, and we've grown so much just because I decided to get on the path of living my most fabulous life. Yes, it started off slowly. It's taken a long time, as you can see, 3 years for me to get where I am today, but I went ahead and started. And so I want to encourage you to get on the path to living your most fabulous life today, because this is the only moment you have. No matter how small, you have to start. Just get started today doing what you can with what you have where you are, as Theodore Roosevelt says. And if you need a little help getting on the path of living your most fabulous life, you can check out my ebook, How to Change Your Mindset and Live Your Most Fabulous Life. This book serves as an inspirational guide that helps you create and live the life you truly desire. So you can start changing the way you think and get on this path today for just $5.99. You can check the book out. You can get the first chapter and see an excerpt on my website, forcolorgirls.com. So, like I said, get on the path of living your most fabulous life today. Talk to you soon.